Tomorrow Ludari ha, Kabau Usagrega, the door, the pinwego, meeting colon, a tashin, Nita Lazaya and Lupipare. Tomorrow dignity, Ludari and Luacha, Lu insanari jam, the pinwes in the mugo, so yin Janja Chinidiato, Sayang needed a pin, the Bawa Bay and Regule, Tomorrow Ludaria, Kati Swa Kanzala Nichayabare. Science Channel, National Sitan ya. Kababama, Nasalina Yedima, Lisa Natando Tipiniha, Kole Jingo Kenny Jayabare. Kababama, Tanita Api, Sangagrido Tipiniha, Kole Jin Kenny Jayabi, Sturamida, Kanatando Tipiniha, Nizinemia, Songjin Kenny Jayabare. The town to Segani, the town to Senga, Kulatamaga Sunday Kani, Saipui Apwe, FAO Sitanuia, Tomorrow Nitangara Mimana Yamale. Listen, the door eka the tangwela ha, Pyong Tinebi, Kabama, Brazil, Indonesia being, Tadia the top Pyong Timu Yazo Nangaha, Yamana and Kibare, the top Pyong Timu go Pisinade, a Tang Leda, the two Chapigaro, Siba Pit the Tolomuri, and no to Napianijin, Luiha, Nisimboa Chapel Satayama, Timmy Duo, Lanza appear Tom Punija relation, the Pama, Tanya Long and Yalokaya. The Domia Kotu Shilly Mishujino down there, the Manang and Duma, the Dopion Dimuha, Pomomia Piala Nivare. Napiole, Kapalu, Miapella Muni, Nimi Shutin Lagino down, the Dopion Dimu Piamiao, Pipo Lazivare. The Bimia, Yonella Munetu, Moya the Adri, Moya Zemia Galarima, Moyo Tini Nine, soon are Yonella be, the Power Bay and Ego, Nissin the Dine Kanzala Jayabare. The two don't near him, tipping Yamashi down, down Pumu, Ye Pumune, Ye Gish and Muru, Homo people Kanzani Jayabare. Moon Pine Hale, Gilo the Bawaka Soligo, listen, John Twin Jaya that mean the computer, Dida can Mulung and Uya do it on the Shogo, and then Yahweh Pigeon Mare.
Hello everyone, my name is Joseph Wu. Originally, I'm from Hangan Village, Township. Currently, I'm living in Myanmar at Treatment Quarters. In my point of view, the reason why the floodings are worse is because of the reduction of the trees. These days, most of the people extremely demolish the trees in order to erect the new constructions for their accommodations as well as economic profits. So therefore, the flooding rates are extremely rising than the past. To protect from this case, it is necessary to find the maintenance of the tree maintenance. So as for me, I would recommend to retrieve the means of the conserving, preserving, and preserving of the trees. Thank you.
My name is Bangkoska. I come from the village, Township, Amon State. Currently, I study at Horizon in Myanmar. Is it because cutting the tree? After cutting that, we cannot plant that amount due to the fact that there is no enough tree to absorb the water and to prevent against the landslide. So the tree root cannot control the landslide. That is why it became a landslide. To prevent and to reduce this case, we have to replant the tree. For example, if we cut one, we have to replant 3 at the same time. Mostly in the rainy season, it happens in most states. So the place that there is no enough tree, we have to set up 1 millimeter. If we set up 1 millimeter, we can reduce this rate.
The top young Timuja, people are Sojo Rego, Yochapone, the Papa Wanjin Tele Gamula Bote, Tamaru Ludarima, Apiawa Town Shibare, the Joseph Digo Kakubu, Nila and Yadi Shia Tegama, Tippin Saichi Hale, Tamaru Ajiji Lopulu at the Yard Kupibare, around Jamulu, Tippin Saita Kama, Ditane Kaini, Tippin Yago, Yuchebi Sabu Beijing, Sabu Bida Tippin Yago, Mapiasia. Tainting Kakwajin Yaole, Low Sound, Low F. Pare. The penny Saipo, the penny Yuche Amale, Ye so you namu account, the penhe, Yipumu Dangane Kakwipo, Miss Shabenugo, Yuche Saipo and Low F. Pare. The top young Timuya Sojo Tayamurego, Pomo Mindala, Lumiati Shinale out, a tipina be long as in Yago, Low Sound Low F. Pare. The top young Timuha. Tomorrow Ludari along at the sign that Yapi that way, along Powen Latwebi, the top young Timugo, Kakwebo, Titon Lubare.
Let's live together!
။